Yeah, with the again pan the yard vibes, a place where we hope say everybody can just sit down, hold a point of view, exchange ideas, perspective, and bring common sense back to Jamaica. That is the whole idea of this thing. Yeah, whole lot of news, whole lot of reviews, all type of thing are going. So, we want to talk about your boy first and foremost, Vybz Kartel. Get a few people mad in the comments last two videos, right? So yeah, what I'm predicting career. What I think happened to in career or in more vibes. We can use as an example Popcaan, right? Let's bring up the other screen. Remember how when Buju come out of a prison, it was just big whole hype. And then all of a sudden, nothing with Buju. All they overcome toward dead out. Flop on the American scene. Okay, when they want to tell you, when you look on the stadium and everything, no, I must say see them empty. Not sure what the excuse them they give, but you can check for yourself. Yeah, but with Cartel, as you can say, to film traction already gone down. Way down. We should go on him page, right? That's all. Yeah, so just the only difference with him, Buju did more mystique, Never used to say Buju. All like foreign artists, them did I go down go get them tune here and there and this, that. Remember when DJ Khaled and all of them I get them song and blase. Yeah. We don't necessarily see you bag of foreign artists them yet I go down figure the Cartel. Guess them a wait for the concert hype. See what I go on after that, cause hip hop artists them have to hold on for the next trend thing. So yeah, then we see Buju have a hype concert mad up, then we start giving public opinion and people them start turn on him. Freedom tour, come back to New York, to America first time, blase, flop. Cartel him know him for himself early. Before film big comeback concert and TVJ and them last video you see them have Black Friday sale. When since Jamaica start celebrate Black Friday. Like just so unoriginal, everything just take up and follow. Nothing original about Jamaican or Jamaicans again, it's a shame. And then everybody comment on the one claim, a Jamaican this, a Jamaican that. Like shut the hell up, man. You want to cuss it early and everything. Let's see TVJ. So TVJ news, right?
But before the
Black Friday ticket sale, right? So if you ever see Gucci and you ever see Louis Vuitton, I have sale. No, their product, certain design and carry sale. You will never see them on sale. Louis Vuitton is one of them. Louis Vuitton. Brother was saying hangover. Louis Vuitton. See the Black Friday. Vybz Kartel offers Black Friday discounts for Freedom Street. Concert a flop, ticket now sell. So he already on the decline based on just this title alone. Let me see where is Instagram. You can find Instagram or something. Okay, search. Let me do a search. So if you don't notice, on the Instagram, last post 31,000 like, 700 comment, 50,000, 69,000, 3,000, 12,000, 6,000. So was that? But look when he just come out of jail. Closer to when him just come out of prison. More views him did I get. And about a month ago, people in the US of A, I'm running to the light. Them did I get tired of him? Like maybe 2 months after him come out. They must say the hype him chat too much, him too much. So yeah, 200,000 views, right? 200,000, 30,000, 73, 30,000. And I follow him, so I don't know when them video when he come out or whenever. This motherfucker live on Instagram and look like more video this dude put up. Shit crazy. The people engage when them have this. August 6th. When it get released? When was Vybz Kartel released? July, okay. You see, 500,000 people that like posts. When it just come out, 500,000, 300,000, 400,000. People want to say everything we are going in their life. Not them part, yeah. Well, I'm going with the world boss free. Matching tattoo. Who them there? See it there? Big deal, I sign everybody I watch, we comment them, I say. Where sheep them, I say. Make the ticket reasonable. Me don't have no organ to sell. People are bad about the ticket price when early. Ready America empty December. Best Christmas ever I had. Alright, real always, man. It's gonna be epic, you know. It looks like, you know. It doesn't look so. But as I say, these are investors. And the only thing investors care about is ROI, return on investment. Don't make dollars, it don't make sense. So just know that. Can't make money from you, you know, good again. So if this shit don't work out, there's nobody gonna put up no more money behind him. So I'm gonna do everything for self. These rum and them shit and I push as medicine. Yeah. This concert, everything bet on the concert, I think. I better try find a hit song. And hope said all of the hip hop artists that want to ride him the pause. The Drakes of the world and the this of the world. Okay, see ticket price, man. Bleachers 120. Grandstand 300, infield 400. And it's a half price, that's all Black Friday. So half of that would be what? 50, 63 something. So 150, 200, okay. That not hurt them if I come up with the next idea. So you see engagement when him just come out. Be 100,000 before ticket price. After still look at engagement, but he dropped by what? He dropped by a third, 3/4. And love a high basis cyber vehicle so people are running. Chilling with the mayor of Panama Cybertruck set here. Blah blah blah. Yo, people so invested in a people life. I wonder if we put half the interest we put in people in life, how much better would that be as a collective? Maybe just use the bullshit to get an info talk, not talk sense in some on it. Bringing common sense back to Jamaica. So yeah, and that girl, she looks sad in so much picture.
Oh. Yeah, man, we'll be every day a mystic guy, you know?
She's like, I'm gonna get myself in there. This ugly motherfucker. That look like somebody happy. You look like you didn't even want it. And, well, let me see something. This is something crazy, you know. Sorry for the woman F somehow. Vybz Kartel, TMZ. I don't know who if anybody missed this. Well, YouTube.
I'm not allowed to reveal the secrets of Jemison Black Barrel. It's careful.
Okay. Vybz Kartel, TMZ.
I saw you, telling some of the youth.
I mean, it's a. Yeah, watch it, wipe me, baby. Some joke between.
Yes, sir. Anybody else get
entertainers? We don't go to the gym. We go to Kim. Blah blah blah. Yeah, watch it, wipe me, baby.
Yeah, watch it. So like him bad up the woman this, I don't. Didn't even like he catching himself me up on TV or TMZ. Oh, wipe me, baby.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but it's a personal joke between entertainers. We don't go to the gym. We go to Kim.
Like him look over first, like she have moved to him and he say, yo, watch it. Like she don't get a box if every other girl.
Blah blah blah. Yeah, watch it, wipe me, baby.
Yeah, watch it. Wipe me, then he catch himself, wipe me. So me tell you, this woman, pay attention to the woman. No cancer, I never see signs on no fucking sheep when I'm coming.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, but yeah, so I've only been to the gym.
I don't want to keep the woman and woman is always right. Go look what I'm going with that one here. I'm ready to come talk to you woman them yet. That man dance here before you dance abroad, so I deal with the man pause before. I deal with Jamaica, then America. Yeah. So pay attention to what I'm going with the woman. Kind of some of them picture you can see it say the woman don't look happy for it. Am I hating? Look. Upon the eyes, I'm like, let me smile before he box me in my face like that. I don't know. Maybe I read too much into it, but when I see the piece of interview, you watch it. Yeah, that sound like in that clap across her face. And when I think it's something when it come out, it's like she was there, me have to kiss it. Or attitude there. You already start, me even didn't notice. Coming up pay attention. Like how DJ Khaled come for Buju. Buju, DJ Khaled. Remember them thing there? Where big collab them there. You know, she had a collab every year since Buju come out. I go on to the next Buju collab with Khalid or in last two albums he put out him. So we had the artists them the way we did the song with. Why we not see no more Buju hip hop collab? The whole hip hop artists them are run in what go on. Same, so them are gonna run in pan homeboy, them probably gonna run in pan the concert. Get a little buzz there if you can find one hit song before or whatever. And them are bounce. I say people, them already tired of him, so.
We have to be on time together. Ready? Party hardy. Party hardy. Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Speed weed. Speed weed. Birth control. Birth control. Nice a bitch. Nice.
You're dumb shit for them I preach.
And then you die.
And then you die.
So fuck the world.
So fuck the world.
And let's get high.
Let's get high.
Yes. Embarrassing. And I ain't the moral police. But maybe I'm just a hate. Fuck.
Turn the back. I like the back of the t-shirt.
Me
there.
too.
You like it, baby?
I love it.
Oh,
They're
yeah,
from
me.
Panama.
You better love it before you get that. Yeah.
Turn. Yeah, man, make my body stiff.
The people have to at least tired of him already for them as again to them. So my attention whore. That's for sure. Yeah, so in the whole prediction, let's wrap this shit up. I don't know who him a beef, who him a compete, whatever his story is, but this is just for him 10 minutes of fame until the next young youth with more energy, more hype, more interest. Or you might go to start with some ridiculous. Alright, this is what it's gonna come down to. If you love the camera, you love you so you might start with some ridiculous shit when the music not work. Because Jamaica copy everything America does. Most of the rapper them not rap. Now when they not rap, what them do vlog, meet up with streamers, whoever the case might be. So that are gonna be for him outcome if this concert don't work. So everything you have a bet on it. So look for heavy promotion, pan freedom, whatever you call it. But all they read the airwaves, all I party them is sound big party them down your block, whoop money I was spend for fill up the concert. Yeah. 50% is a good look, same is 50%. The attention he had before. 50%. The music for 50%, everything. And like a sheep, them not buy it, cause they not buy a ticket. And shit hard, then can't call upon people in America. At Christmas, them are gonna want an outfit. That's too much. I'm going with Bounty Killer. All the views drop off. But anyway, that's about the vibes on the cartel, God. But next minute happen this shit for talk. Or the election thing. That go on the election.